Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make potato pizza skins with bacon and cheese. So you just get a ball of dough and you're going to want to flatten it out so it looks kind of like this. And then you want to find a pan that's like that. So spray the inside of the pan really good. Spray this, the dough. Off the dough. You can just poke holes in it, same thing. And then you want to get the dough to fit inside of it. So you want to get to like this, build up some edge, and then you're going to put it in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes. Put the oven on 550. So just take this, put it in, I'll take it out in like 4 minutes. So the dough should look like this, and then you just want to take the edges here and kind of build them up. They don't have to be super high, just pretty high enough to hold mashed potatoes. And then so you're going to put it in the oven again. This time you want to put it on a pizza pan. So just throw this one in for, do another 3 minutes. Okay, so it should look like this when you're done. You might have to keep it in longer than 2 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. This one I think is 600. You want to make sure there's no dough anywhere. It's not doughy at all. It's all crispy. So then you take some mashed potatoes, scoop it in there. Not a ton, just enough to fill it around. Take your shredded cheese. Same thing, you don't need a ton. Just enough covering the mashed potato. You don't even need to use shredded cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. And then finally, just take bacon, sprinkle it all about. That's how much you want. Kind of push it down, and then you just cook it till it's all melted. So the final product should look something like this. See, there's no dough inside. It's not doughy at all. It's all cooked through. There you go. Pretty simple.